Hey everyone, welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we're going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: leaky pipe problems. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Leaky pipes can lead to various problems in a household or commercial property. It is essential to address these issues promptly to prevent further damage and costly repairs. Here are some solutions and DOS to consider when dealing with leaky pipes. Identifying the leak. To tackle a leaky pipe effectively, the first step is to identify the source of the leak. Check for water stains on walls or ceilings, dampness in the floors, or any unusual water puddles. Use a flashlight to inspect hidden areas such as under sinks, behind appliances, and in the basement or attic. Temporary fixes. While waiting for a professional plumber to fix the leak, you can apply temporary solutions to mitigate the damage. Use leak tape or a rubber patch to seal the leaking area temporarily. Placing a bucket under the leak can help collect water and prevent further water damage. Shut off water supply. In case of a leak, it is crucial to promptly shut off the water supply to prevent further leakage. Locate the main water shut-off valve in your property and turn it off to stop the flow of water. Turning off the water supply can also help reduce water wastage and potential flooding. DIY repair options. Some minor leaks can be fixed by homeowners with basic plumbing skills. You can use pipe clamps, epoxy compounds, or pipe wraps to seal small leaks. Follow safety precautions and guidelines when attempting a DIY repair to avoid causing further damage or injury. Call a professional. For complex or persistent leaks, it is recommended to seek the expertise of a licensed plumber. Professional plumbers have the tools, experience, and knowledge to identify and repair leaks effectively. Hiring a professional not only ensures the proper repair of the leak, but also guarantees long-term solutions to prevent future leaks. Regular maintenance. To prevent leaky pipe problems in the future, consider regular maintenance of your plumbing system. Inspect pipes for signs of corrosion, rust, or wear and tear. Schedule periodic inspections by a plumber to detect potential issues early and prevent costly repairs down the line. In conclusion, addressing leaky pipe problems promptly and effectively is crucial to maintaining the integrity of your property. By following the solutions and DOS mentioned above, you can mitigate the damage caused by leaky pipes and ensure the smooth functioning of your plumbing system. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on clear a leaky pipe problems. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.